Hello, and thank you again for joining us here for PPI 365's Microsoft Dynamics Training Demo Series. My name is Kelsey Chambers, and today we'll be covering Dynamics 365 Sales Hub app for Outlook. To utilize the Sales Hub app for Outlook, it must first be installed onto your computer. Once you are logged into Dynamics 365, on the top right hand of your screen, you will see the settings icon or the gear from your navigation bar. Select this, and from the drop-down menu, then click Apps for Dynamics 365. Once this page is loaded, you will see the option to download Dynamics 365 for Outlook. Once this opens, make sure that your download starts. Otherwise, you can click the link to ensure that the download begins. And once it does, follow the wizard prompts for further instructions. Keep in mind, if you do not see this option, you will want to contact your system administrator to confirm that you have the Use Dynamics 365 app for Outlook security privileges and that your organization synchronizes mailboxes with your server side. The next step in utilizing your Dynamics 365 application from within your Outlook is to enable the app. In order to do this, select File from within your Outlook application, then Manage Add-ins, and once this loads on your next web browser, you'll want to ensure that Dynamics 365 checkbox is selected so that the application is turned on. You can find this option under the Manage Add-ins from the General Options menu. Now that you have your application installed and enabled, you're going to go ahead and select a message or have a new message or new appointment selected, and then hit your Dynamics 365 button to open your Dynamics 365 in the separate pane on the right-hand side. You do have the option to pin this, otherwise you can always go back and select the Dynamics 365 button in order to reopen the application within Outlook. There's a couple things to keep in mind. You do still have the same accesses. You can view your dashboards. You have your home access, which will take you back to the main screen from within your Outlook. You do have your Quick Create and your back buttons. You can search records. And then you also have your relationship assistant and your user information. This window is resizable, just like in your regular applications. Now, a small difference that you'll see is because this is for your Outlook, this is where you can actually set particular emails to be tracked within Outlook or to be set into a regarding specific entity such as a lead or a contact. Now, if I'm tracking this email, I'm creating a copy of it in Dynamics 365. And as mentioned before, when I set it regarding, I'm tracking and linking the email or appointment to an already existing record, or I can create a new record as well. So let's go ahead and track this. Selecting the three ellipses, I can track without regarding. If I do want to set my regarding prior, we can go ahead and look up records. So I'm going to do Kelsey Chambers. And then it's going to automatically set the specific regarding record and set it to be tracked. So this has connected it to the Kelsey Chambers lead that was already in the system. I can add activities. I can also pull it open to view it directly in Dynamics 365. I can select to enter the data, add phone numbers, and any of the other additional information that I may need by utilizing my Quick Create buttons and activities and search records, etc. One of the great things is once I actually have this tracked, if I create a new email or respond to the email and I type in the person, it's going to actually pull up the name that is created within the lead in the system. So I did not have to create a new contact in my Outlook, but rather it pulled it directly from Dynamics, and they are talking back and forth to each other, which really makes utilizing the system much more convenient and reduces your work effort. Thank you again for joining us here at PPI 365 for our Microsoft Dynamics training demo series. Come check us out on LinkedIn for our Cloud Corner every Wednesday, and you can also check out our other training demo videos. Leave us a comment and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. If you want to be notified every time we post a new video, remember to hit that notification bell. As always, if you have any questions, please reach us at info, that's INFO, at PPI365.com. We hope you join us again soon.